cup of Wardle. Company excitedly. Tree. You are my happiness. My heart deserves my everlasting flame, the one that makes my heart beat, my love, my coin. I cannot thankful. Second, without you in my mind, I crashing you, freshness of beauty. Whenever I am with you, I am different, but in a good way. I smile and laughing more. I do not have to pretend everything is okay. I can drop the with you and feel expresses everything genuinely. I no longer feel hurt and alone. I feel safe and loved. They say pictures are worth 1,000 words, but I can only say 3 words when look at your picture. I love you. You will get over it soon. The deserve of the heart is on the brain. The emotion are all stake. What I thought would be pure life. See what you just made. You never felt from me, from the heart, but give other impressions. From the start, I trust no one and one in love. It is just a heartbreak, and that show. I cannot get over the moment spent with you, feeling of helplessness and so blue. Somewhere I know what a baby, I still love you, feeling or one the brawn of are you. I have been doing a lot of thinking lately and realize I made mistakes. I understand if you needed a space, but I wanted to tell you that I truly value the time we shared. I am learning from this experience, and I hope one day we can talk again, even it is just a friend. I respect your decision, whatever it may be. I hope this is the first message you read this morning. Tell me if it is not, be sure to send your early message tomorrow because it is only fair. You were the first thing in my mind when I wake up this morning. So happy I can the first thing on you as long as you are thinking of me. It does not matter how far we're apart. Our love trans seconds distance. Honey, you are always in my mind. You inspire me to be a better man. Thank you for being my partner, my confidant, and the love of my life. You are strength and wisdom. Push me to grow, and you are love. Nature's my souls with you. I see a future filled with a joy. Promise every challenge we face together. Every success is sweeter because you are my sides. If I could give you one thing in life, it would be the ability to see yourself through my eyes. Then you would realize how special you are to me. No, just another person in the crowd. You are my intrinsic world. You are kindness and beauty, radiate from within, and make everything around better. Sunset in Dubai remind me the even day a new chance to make a difference. As I watch the sky turn pink, grateful for the opportunities I to imperative lives through my world, but what brings the most joy to me hearts is connecting with the like-minded individuals. How shares my passion for making the world a better place. How else is out the things make difference. To hear your story when I miss you. Think of you. I take a moment. A receive calls. How lucky I am to have someone as wonderful as you in my life. You are a business only makes me appreciate you even more. I needed you. My side, I really wanted to kiss you and hug you, Henny. I cannot wait to meet you. I feel happy because I am always dreaming about you. What about the card? Honey, message me. All I know is to love you, and I Hope that you know that I will always be better there for you. Us never feel alone. When I am beside you, I am lead you, guide you, help you, and with that all can. My love for you as in being or and it is a visit as the sky and deep as the oceans. You troll cannot measure it because it is simply boundless. When I am with you, I feel different in a positivity way. I am find some smiling and laughing more. I am very comfortable with you are because do not have to pretend that I am alright. I can open you myself to you and tell you what I feel is truthful. Don't feel alone in pain because you are different. Affection makes me feel safe. You are every easy to talk with. Everything you tell me has different effect on me. I realize that there is a person who can expect it and love me. This scrolls Wordle I eagerly tease a pretty cat you are because I like myself better. I am with you. I am happy all the time because of you. I know our relationship never been easy, but I promise to sticks with you through the good times and the bad. I will be there anytime you need me. I promise to true to each day. You are my everything, baby.